It's hard to describe the feeling you get when you totally change the look and feel of your house, and this roof is going to do exactly that. So my colour scheme, it's the first time I'm seeing my white duck half colour scheme match the roof, and I've used samples and I've used colour matching palettes, and I've spoken to the colorbond steel specialist, but it's not until you see it out in the light in where it's living that you get to appreciate those choices. I mean, look how amazing this roof looks now. This will be hopefully another 100 years for this house. And I love the finishings around the chimneys, and I love the contrast with the brick into this basalt colorbond steel, and it's just amazing. I'm starting to feel really good about this project. Like, my heart's buzzing, it's warm, I've got butterflies about, well, when the scaffolding comes down, it will be like unwrapping a present, you know, it'll be like the first time I see this new house coming to life.